Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol SEED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I think we can all agree on that. When the price not that long ago was down here, and then after today's price movement, you know, it closed all the way up there. So yeah, bulls definitely made a very, very nice move today. But that does lead into the very rational question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, you know, fake move type, price action? I have no idea, but like I said, by using a chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to better illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So this area that is going to help us answer that question is right here at $1.68. Why is $1.68 so? Actually, let's give a little wiggle room, and let's just call it $1.65. So why is $1.65 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.65. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say there's a pullback. Not saying this will happen. Let's say something like this does occur, and then the price, heads back up like that. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying the term make progress as $1.65. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through healthy consolidation and building higher bases. So without question, very powerful day today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.